Quick little update. We'll have a full detailed video coming out soon. We got downspouts over there, scrap box over here. A very nice 16-foot. This was $700 just for the metal here. We have a pipe here for the marking stick. So we got our ladders finally in here. We were gonna put them here, but because we have one machine, I think this is a really good spot for them. We have all our power supply. Right now I'm getting the power supply from the house. And how do I know? Is because my lights are on. Now, if I don't have power from the house, I can get power from my power supply, which is right here. We got our pencil sharpener here. I got a little bag for extra tools, pliers, whatnot. Then we have this basket here for the drills. We have this extra cubbies here. This is for like mollies or whatever else that you need. So the power supply here, you can take up to 4 batteries. Right now we're 2 batteries at 12.0. That's 24 amps. Very nice pencil sharpener with adjustable pencil thickness. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 milk crates for your outlets or end caps, gloves, bags, whatever. So like I said before, we have our electrical outlet right here that's coming from the house. Our pencil sharpener is hooked up in here, and to charge the generator you would plug that in there because you cannot charge it and use it at the same time. This feeds back if you wanted to charge or to power the stations. Everything's powered here. You can click the buttons here. I actually kind of like that. Tune down. You can actually turn it off. Make it brighter. So we did add some more labels here for all the paints. Just in case they get mixed up. You got double labels. Kind of like that. So that's super exciting. I did put a box right here for your inch 0.5, 2, and 3 for your bigger screws. Make sure you don't fill them up more than half so they don't tip over or whatnot. But these ones are angled because of that wood right there. Worst case scenario, I barely have these open, but worst case scenario, you could put another spacer, I guess, in the back. I got some hammer holders, 4 of them. You can put some crowbars, whatever. I guess you can put hammers in here too if you like. I got 3 tape measure holders. I got magnetic here, 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 and my pencil right here, convenient to the run out. So machine is powered. What else am I missing? We got emergency gas can if you ever need, and extension cord if you ever need to use the house. Here's the lights that I bought, and here's the Exacta. I really like this brand. It's really premium. This is the floor that we covered. We used colony blue for the floor, and we used the extra texture right there. That's my favorite. Here's the manual for the gutter machine. 3-year warranty. It's a brand new machine. This is a 5-6 combo. And I'll show you a video how we're gonna switch it to 5K because it's set to 6 now. And we've got a brand new coil that's gonna be going in here. And I really like these because they have a gauge for your materials readout. So make sure when you load the coil, the sticker's on this side because I think it's only one-sided, yeah. One-sided, so that's super exciting. This crate is a full-size crate. You can put a full coil in here. We got our tool bag in here. And there's our power connector right there. The machine is hooked up right there. And this wire is hooked up. So everything gets powered. We still have this drop-down table. We still need to get our chop saw installed. It's over there, but when we opened the box, it was broken in half. So unfortunately, we couldn't use it. Very nice texture right here. Non-slippery. This is I guess a hand lever right here. Let's see if I can pull it. Right there, I'll show you, I guess, real quick. It self-locks when you push. Bam. So this is where you're gonna cut all your miters. You could potentially have a guillotine right here. This one does not have a guillotine. I guess they can cut their straight cuts right here. You have a little lever here to adjust. And then right here, this is where your brackets go. This opens up quite a bit right here. These are actually my brackets, but this box has an open bottom. So when you're cutting, all the shavings don't collect on the inside. This is a really cool feature where we have our gutter stands inside these tubes. We got a new bumper on this. We got some new lights on this and some new covers. So very excited. It's got a backup camera and there's our lights. There's the full setup. It's looking amazing.